What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So check it out. It's been a minute since I've taken the old Civic out because of the weather, and I was actually planning on taking the Corvette out to the track today, but they decided to shut the track down, close it for the day, so I can't do that. So that got me to thinking, since the weather is looking a whole lot better than what it was earlier, and I hadn't fired it up or take it for a drive, and I kind of need some gas in it too, that may be the next best thing. So keep saying so. So what I think I'm gonna do is pull the car cover off and go take the Civic for a ride, for a drive rather. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this car cover off. All right, easy peasy. We got the car cover off. Then really, probably what I really need to do before I do that is pull that tire off, get up under there. I don't feel like getting dirty. But I need to get up under here, check the transmission fluid because I got a slight seal leak. But I don't feel like fixing it right now because I just got it in there. So who wants to pull it all back out again to fix a seal? Not me. So what I think I'm going to do is go ahead and pull that tire off, jack it up, and see if we can get a little bit more fluid in it, just to be on the safe side, because I don't want to burn the transmission up going down the highway for sure. Now here's the caveat to all of this. Before I can do any of that, I need to figure out what I did with the extra quart of transmission fluid. I really hope I didn't throw that away, because that was Honda MT. That was the Honda transmission fluid. It's kind of hard to get that stuff. You can't just go down the street and get it at O'Reilly's or AutoZone. We got to find that extra quart of oil. Otherwise, I may have to risk it. I don't want to, but I will. I prefer not to. Let me look a little harder. Okay, we got some good news and bad news. I did find it. The bad news is not even a quart. Yeah, maybe it's enough to get me through what I need to do. And I think, I've never tried this before, but I think I'm going to try this. I think I am going to just try to do it from up here without taking the wheel off. If I can take that off with a wrench or something, no, I'll just take the wheel off. Ain't nobody got time to be trying to reach way down there and twinkle toe it. Stop being lazy and just do what you need to do. It seems like every time you try to do something, there's always something that's going to keep you from having a smooth process. In this particular case, it was this one lug nut would not go off with the driver, so I had to take the old breaker bar, but we got it off. But as you can see, I'm a tad bit out of breath. Damn. Okay, so I got that done, but we got to put the tire back on. But I must say, that bad boy was pretty low on transmission fluid. I had to do probably the unthinkable, but probably before I drive it again, I'll do a full flush. But it took a quarter of 10W30 oil. Wasn't really planning on that happening, but that's what it took. Either way, we got enough oil in there for this particular quick drive. So we're gonna put the tire back on, take it out for a spin. Just a little quick spin, nothing too serious. This has been a real challenge, challenge. It shouldn't take this long. Get in the car, got my laptop, because I figure I need the data log, and the last time I ran it was pretty rich. And I realized I didn't have my GoPro mount in the car, so I had to take it out of the other car. Oh man, I hope this oil do fine, but I'm sure it will. Now watch, it looks like I don't even have enough gas. Let me fire this shit up and see if I even have enough gas. Car won't start. I think I'm gonna take that as a sign as to go back in the house. That's gonna be it for this video. I think it's the battery.